sculptor that saves me in the final part tomorrow. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Pretty fat. Now that's the propeller. Okay, pretty. Looks like it's sticking the finger up. Oh, here, I need to put the ladder on. Because it saves me. Yeah, so I just climb up it. No, stop, I don't. So, as you can tell from if you watched my other video, you will know that that it's been 4 years ever since I got trapped on the island. So, these people saved me, and I'm gonna sit my seat down. So, I'm gonna be sitting right here. Alright. So that's the plane. Now I'm gonna go where I started off my base. So tomorrow's gonna be a pretty short video. Basically just where I place the boat down. And I push it away when I place Wilson down. And then I just leave without him. It's a sad ending. I don't want to be sad. Okay, goodbye. How long has this been going for? Okay, 2 minutes.